Hello traders and investors, and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna analyze a couple of pairs in crypto like Bitcoin USD or Ethereum USD, and if we have the time, more and more others. Okay, so let's start first with the Bitcoin because it's the main crypto all over the world. As we can see in crypto, especially now in all of them, the crypto market, like people they say now, is start bleeding. Yeah, so it start bleeding quite bad, let's say. Okay, let's start first, with Bitcoin because it's the most principal one. What we can see in Bitcoin is that after we draw the trend line, so we can see the we still have uptrend after this trend line that we have here. So we have that the trend line started in October 2023 when the price it was near like 26,000. Yeah, so here we have the first line, yeah, again and again and again here. As we can see here at the last point, yeah, the price now is retesting the trend line. So if this price, the candle is gonna close above the trend line, so above like 58,000, then we can say that we are still in bullish market. But currently, if is how we can see, if the market is going to move lower and lower today, yes, so reaching more than 57,000, it's possible that we're going to have a retest of the broken trend line, and then the price is going to drop down and we're going to have to another support 51,000. For me, I'm still bullish. Yeah, I'm waiting just to see how it's going to close today, the Bitcoin, and if it's closing above the trend line, then we can buy. Yeah, we can buy because we have a lot of things that say it. For example, in the daily, so the daily is starting again like crossover, not yet, but still, we have on the histogram we have bullish divergence, and let's see on 4 hours. So 4 hour again we have a bullish divergence. Yeah, if the price gonna manage now to hold on this area, yeah, so maybe this one from here, it was a false breakout. It's possible that from here to see a price reaching and making higher highs. If we go to the lower time frame, well, the same like 1 hour, as we can see, and here have a bullish divergence, yeah, because the it was on the chart lows, but on the MACD was lower highs, yeah, lower and then highs. Okay, if you go back to the weekly, let's go to weekly. As we can see here, the weekly we didn't have any divergence, yeah, not yet any divergence, but now we have crossover, so maybe it's possible that we can see that the price is gonna move slightly lower to 51,000 before we go more up. We're gonna see because today is 4th of July anyway, so it's Independence Day in America, but tomorrow we're gonna have NFP, so we're gonna have really good news, really important news, let's say, on the US dollar. So that's maybe it's gonna change the market. Now it depends how it's gonna manage the US dollar. Is the US dollar is gonna get like slightly lower, it's slightly weaker, we can see that the crypto maybe they're gonna go higher. If the dollar is gonna be still strong, then I believe we're gonna go and retest the other low point before we're gonna move higher. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's see Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum with dollar. Okay, so Ethereum, as we draw earlier in the trend line, from Bitcoin, now we have the same situation in Ethereum. So we have is the same from October 2023. The trend line managed to hold here, managed to hold here, managed to hold here, and so on, and we are now here. So if we're gonna manage, like here we have support, big support, everything is a big support here. If we're gonna manage the price to hold above 3,000, then the bullish trend and the bullish momentum will continue. Is a lot of probability that will continue. Many times what's happening in the markets, they're gonna be called like false breakout, so the price maybe is gonna try to reach breaking below the trend line, but from then we're we're gonna see, and the price is gonna start, you know, to move higher and higher, that the candle is gonna close above the trend line. That we hope that is gonna happen, because if it's not gonna happen, then it's really dangerous to enter, you know, for buys after this one. Okay, and like we said, you know, with Ethereum, so in Ethereum, you know, we see on the histogram, you know, that the histogram started to make lower lows, yeah, but then, you know, the sellers, it seems here on the histogram, that they don't have any more power. So it's possible, really possible, that the price from here to see, you know, that it's managing, you know, to go higher and higher, and maybe it's gonna close, you know, today, maybe it's gonna close like positive. All of the cryptos for the moment are bleeding, because Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are down. So hopefully we'll see that the price and the most of the crypto, they're gonna go higher. Um, let's take another pair. Let's see now if we have a Filecoin. If we go to the Filecoin, so Filecoin from now is 3.9, and it managed to break, you know, the resistance of this line. As we can see, you know, the trend, we don't have any trend, only the price was moving most of the time in a range. So it's possible that we're gonna touch again in a Filecoin, you know, if it's gonna move like this, we're gonna still see the free 2.7 level. If in case this is the first video for today, and if the price, we're gonna see, you know, a couple of hours or during today, you know, what's gonna happen, then we're gonna post another video later on, and we're gonna see, you know, maybe we're gonna have some changes of the price, or something that, you know, like gonna trigger our buys or triggers our sells, even that. Okay guys, thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe. We have only 2 subscribers, but you know, it's possible to have more. Thank you guys, and have a good one.